Hi guys, this is how you change your keyboard settings from UK to US. If you have a Bluetooth keyboard that has a different input settings like this, if you press shift and at, this is a US keyboard. But if you have a different input, for example, let's change it to UK. UK keyboard has a different input. If you press shift and at, it will show a different, see, and the number sign, and this your at sign is at shift, and